Today we're going to go over how to repair an iPhone with the VLite 2 system. As you can see here, we've got it stuck on waiting for CarPlay UI. We don't see it too often, but some customers do experience this, and we'll go through the settings on the iPhone and the VLite so that you can disconnect them and repair them properly. So the first step here is we're going to go back to the home screen, and we're going to go down to the support app. And in here, we're going to go down to the second option for Bluetooth. And then you should see under paired devices, whichever iPhone that you have connected. We'll just click the gear icon to the right of that. And then you're going to go over here to forget. There we go. And now it's showing under available. We're not going to click that yet because we need to do more on the iPhone side. But we'll just go back to the CarPlay app here. And then we're ready to go to the iPhone side. Alright, so on the iPhone here, we're going to go into our settings app. And then from here, we're going to go into general. And then we'll scroll down and find CarPlay. And you should see the VLine 2 in here. And we'll open that and click forget this car. And forget again. And then it should be under available cars now and not saved as one of the cars that you're paired to. And it looks like it just tried to repair, but we'll cancel that for now. And then in here, the other setting that we've seen help is going to be back from the main settings here, and it'll be down in screen time. And we'll scroll down to content and privacy restrictions. In here, you want to make sure this is turned on. It should be turned on by default, but we have seen some iOS updates that have turned it off by default. So just double check that. And from here, we're just going to go ahead and restart the iPhone. There we go. And then we'll come back once it's fully restarted. Alright, so the phone's restarted and we're ready to repair both devices. The first step here will be opening our settings again, and then we're going to go into Bluetooth. And now that this is open, it will be discoverable. And if the phone hasn't popped up here, it should pop up by now. And you'll click on your phone name. And we should get a pop-up. There we go. Pairing code on both devices. And then lastly, we should get one more pop-up here. This one here. And as long as you get that pop-up, it should go past the waiting for CarPlay UI. If you don't get this pop-up for some reason, you can retry the steps and you should get the pop-up the second time at least.